everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign in into ChatGPT using your Apple ID or Google account. If you don't want to remember another password, signing in with Apple or Google is a quick and secure way. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. Open ChatGPT and then tap login. Next, what you're gonna do is choose continue with Apple or continue with Google. If you pick continue with Apple, then continue. When the prompt appear, you can select hide my email for extra privacy, then confirm using your Face ID or passcode. Now, if you have picked Google, select the Google account you want to use. If prompt, enter your password and complete the two-step verification if enabled. Once verified, ChatGPT will log you in automatically, no separate password needed, and you'll be taken straight to the main chat screen, and your all your data stays linked to that Apple ID or Google account. And privacy tip: only use the built-in Apple or Google login pop-up inside the official ChatGPT app or website. Don't enter credentials on any third-party pages. Quick fix: if the sign in button does not respond, close the ChatGPT app, restart your phone, and then try again. If it still fails, delete and reinstall the app. Log in first to chat.open.ai.com in Safari, then switch back to the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.